Hey guys, what's going on? I'm John Malecki, and in this video I am taking an old Ikea countertop and turning it into a double router station with a storage drawer. Check it out. So you're probably wondering, what the hell, John? Everything in this video so far has had blue hardware. Well, what happened was halfway through the video, I reached out to Woodpecker and we decided to work together on this project, and they hooked it up with 2 of their lift stations. So what you saw there in that first part of this video was me hand cutting in a router table lift and using my router and some straight edges to do it. Now I'm going to show you how I did the rest with a CNC and some more guides. So check it out. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have had a blast and I'm super excited to have this in my shop now permanently and included in my workflow. I really want to thank Timberland PRO for supporting my channel and sponsoring this build. If you want to see some of the gear that I rock on a daily basis, my favorite flannels, zip-ups, t-shirts, jeans, boots, all of that, I got links down below for you guys. As well as I want to thank Woodpeckers for supporting this build. They supplied the router lifts as well as the fences. These are an incredibly well-made product. I love everything Woodpecker does. And if you haven't seen any of their stuff, I'm leaving links down below for all of you to check it out there too. Lastly, I want to thank all of you for tuning in. If you want to learn more about this build, I got a full write-up on my website at johnmalecki.com. There's links in the description, as well as I'll throw something somewhere on the screen for you guys. And I should have a plan to kind of how I did this, if I can get something together for you. Lastly, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, or follow me on Instagram and shoot them over there. I'm doing a ton of interaction on a daily basis on Instagram, and I love each and every one of you who come over there and ask me questions about what's going on. If you want to see what I'm doing before my next video, that's the place to be. Instagram is the spot. Lastly, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go punch your next project in the face, and I'll see you on the next video.